Summers are here now. I think this will be the most satisfying video for my mom to watch. Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I have decided that I'm going to film myself organizing my closet and sorting it out. Basically, summers are here now and winter वाले कपड़ों को वापस अंदर रखना है and summer वाले निकालने हैं. So it's that time of the year. I don't know how I'm going to film it for you guys because I've not done this before obviously. But that's the first time for everything. So we'll see how I figure this out. Oh, you know what? I was just filming a video story for a brand. Let me just show you the condition my bed is in right now. This is what it is. So first I'm cleaning up my bed and I'm putting the Netflix show on because I just like something running in the background. So what happens is either I stop paying attention to the Netflix show or I just leave my work. Mindy. Okay guys, so the thing I want to do before starting is show you guys the before situation of my wardrobe. It's not pretty, please don't judge me. I am not like this. And I will not let the situation get to this stage after I sort this out today. Okay guys, please don't judge me. This is not me, I promise. Some dresses, mostly skirts, some jackets, lower wear. I promise मैं ऐसी नहीं हूँ. It's embarrassing. I think this will be the most satisfying video for my mom to watch. Okay guys, now I'm about to take out the bags my summer clothes are in. Okay. Please yaar. Come. अब मेरे को ना गुस्सा आ रहा है. I did it.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Guys, you know what? I'm allergic to dust and this is literally khatro ki khiladi for me right now. Now, what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to take out the winter clothes that are in my wardrobe. Let's start. My jigar da tukda. See, I told you guys, I stopped watching the show. I also had these formal shirts out. I think I'm gonna still keep them for the summers as well because there is no season for shorts when they're required to be worn. Oh my god, I was looking for this top. My dance society's t-shirt. Well, guess what? I left my dance society because I could not manage two societies at this point with you and me and studies. I chose to be in the dramatic society. Guys, my phone has 2% battery. I'm gonna have to pause this. I'm putting you guys on charge. Charge well. Okay guys, quick update. So all my winter clothes are out. If I show you the amount of clothes that are on my bed, it's a lot. And उसमें से I repeated the same 10 clothes. But moving on. Now the second section of my wardrobe that I was talking about, which has all the lowers, I'm sorting those out right now. Leather pants. This is an odd color. It's from Zara. And मैंने इसको अभी तक एक भी बार नहीं पहना है. Now I'm gonna sort my jeans out. Actually, just fold them nicely. You know, when I was a child, I did not like jeans. I would cry if mama मेरे को jeans पहनाती थी. But now it's like, what is there without jeans? I told you na meko 10 saal ho chahiye. Guys, I just came back after having dinner and I'm feeling very depressed sitting around this pile of clothes. Okay guys, I'm back even though I don't want to be. I'm gonna start by taking out my summer clothes. Oh, this cute dog. Guys, it's 11:20. I'm done putting all the winter clothes in, separating the clothes for donation. Now all I have to do is set all of this up in my wardrobe. And let's get started. I cannot wait to be over with this. Okay guys, so these 4 piles that you see, these are the tops that I'm going to wear for college or I can wear outside on normal days. Then these 3 are piles which are more on the dressy side, and these are some formal looking clothes and some shirts. Now I'm thinking of color coordinating these a bit if possible. If not, apologies. Guys, look, I have this top from H&M since I don't know how long. I just don't have the guts to wear this. It's time! The moment we've all been waiting for. It's done, guys. Finally. Okay guys, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know how this video turned out. If you did like this video, please like this video. It really helps. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys next time.